Across the field and over the Afton River, in the shadow of Blackcraig Hill, a cave yawns open in the rock. Few dare approach it, fewer still speak of what lies within.
At the foot of Blackcraig's rugged side, where the bracken bends and shadows bide, there lies a cave so dark, so deep, where ne'er a soul dare tread nor peep. They say a giant haunts that lair, with shaggy hair and a blood-stained stare. He walks the hills when moonlight's high, and sheep fall dead where they lie. Oh, shadows move and light is gone. Ooh. A bull once charged with fire and flame, but the giant laughed and his claim. He tossed the beast like a sack of straw, and vanished still when neither scratch nor flaw. The shepherds say he's no all flesh, but spirit dark, immortal, shapeless shade at break o' day, that flits when light begins to sway. Oh, run, lassie, run, when the mist hangs low, when the sheep grow still and the winds neigh blow, for the cave's black mouth is cold and wide, and the giant waits for souls inside. Now listen, bairns, to the fiddler's fate, who played the kerns both early and late. They turned him out when aught but scorn, and cursed the night he was ever born. He vanished fast when ne'er